this one. So we're now arriving at Surrey Quays. Passengers for Surrey Quays exit at the front of the boat.
Passengers will exit at the front of the boat.
However, we are very this is not your this is not
And obviously it goes through at the back.
Wait.